Before I get into my experience with this product, I put a discount link in the video description. The link will take you to the official Ted's Woodworking site, and there will be up to 50% off or more discount applied at checkout. I'll be real with you, I'm not a professional carpenter. I just wanted to build a few things around the house without having to guess my way through some cryptic YouTube video. I found Ted's Woodworking when I was searching for a coffee table plan that didn't look like it was designed in 1983. What I found was way more than I expected. 16,000 woodworking plans. I didn't even know that many projects existed. The first thing I noticed is how organized everything is. The categories make it easy to search: furniture, outdoor stuff, small crafts. And each project comes with detailed step-by-step instructions, material lists, and even illustrations that a non-engineer like me can actually understand. I started small with a birdhouse just to test the waters, and when that went well, I moved on to a bookcase. That's when I realized how much time I had wasted before trying to piece together random plans online. With these, I could actually see every cut and measurement clearly laid out. What I like most is that it makes woodworking fun instead of frustrating. I used to put projects off because I didn't want to mess them up, but now I actually look forward to weekends in the garage. If you're new to woodworking, or just tired of confusing plans, this package really does help a lot. And again, if you're thinking of checking it out, grab it through the discount link in the description so you don't pay full price like I almost did.